Grill removal on a Mini. At this point, I'd recommend putting down a blanket just in case you drop any nuts or washers. On the inside of the grill, remove these 7 10mm nuts. The trick to get these things undone, stick a screwdriver behind the washer here, put a bit of leverage on it, get your 10mm, and turn. Once you get it started, it should come out. As you can see, it's on an atypical nut. Next, there's 4 on the top edge, so 1 here, another 1 there, and 2 on the other side. These need removing. The grill now lifts off. You may have to wiggle it around the screw ends for it to come out. Before you put the grill back on, deal with any rust like this by rubbing it down and painting it, and if you scratch inside using the screwdriver, sort those out as well. Use a paint that's designed to cover rust and paint on metal. Let this dry overnight, refit the grill, and you're done.